Okay, good morning. It is Friday, November 15th, and we're doing a quick walkthrough here pre-market. So, want to run you through a few things. Of course, we have pushed up into all-time highs over here. We probed through this. This is a simple 5-minute chart. This is set up the way my chart is set up. So, I will show you how this looks. The yellow candles are when the market goes up. The blue candles are when the market goes down. Those are the colors that I use, and I use them for specific reasons. And then what you see is my KPs are orange, and you'll see that my CPAs are actually blue, and you'll notice I have no red on my chart, except for this tiny little piece over here that says chart and that little X over there. And that's because NinjaTrader doesn't let you change that as far as I know. So, orange lines, solid lines are KPs. These are CPAs, the blue lines. This is how my chart is set up. I'm using an indicator that we have built for NinjaTrader specifically, and this is a modified version of that, which actually puts these dotted lines 1 point on each side of our prediction points. So why am I doing that? Because I want to see when it trades more than a point through the price. So I want to know that. So when it comes down here and it trades through it a little bit, I want to know, did it break below it by more than a point? And you've heard me say in videos a point or so. So here's this. Comes up to here. Did it break above it by more than a point? Nope. Here you can see it broke it by about a tick. So anyway, solid blue are CPAs, solid orange are KPs, and the dotted lines just represent 1 point on each side of that. So you can see here we pushed through here, and it really is not we came all the way up to here in the Globex, and it's really not out of the question that we would come all the way back down here and test 98.75 and then get another rally. So not at all out of the question that we come down to here, test this, and then rally higher. All right. And we're really looking for at minimum up to this CPA. And if it's really strong, we could see up here into the somewhere up to here, or even up into the mid 20s, even this price at 30 quarter. All right. So basically we've kind of been hanging around right here this morning. We could pull back. I'll give some prices in the chat, but we wouldn't really want to use this again. We've already used that. You can see we came above it. This validates this price. Never been this high until yesterday. Anyway, we had a price here at 04.5 yesterday, right here at the all-time high. We touched it to the tick. We came all the way back down, came back through it. And then we came back down and we tested this. So we've pretty much already used this. There'll be a few prices in between here and there, one or two maybe, and I'll post those into the chat. But you got to know, in the big picture, we could easily come back down to here and not do a whole lot of damage to any type of buying scenario. And not entirely out of the question that we even come back down to that 95 quarter and then rally higher. Now, that does not have to happen, but if we do happen to come back down to here and 95 quarter cannot hold, then we've got a long ways down. So likely we'll see back into the 70s. So there's that scenario. And on the other side, we've pretty much used this here, so we would expect that we could push that. And then we wouldn't really be looking to sell up here, so we're next profit target would be up here at 13, and a possible short opportunity just depending on the momentum of the market. And then up above here we have these next two prices, and above there could be into the low 30s. So each one of these prices that we're giving is like a breakout for the next price. And this is just the beginning of these videos, so if you have suggestions or things that you want covered in them, please let us know, and we're happy to help however we can. Thanks.